Hello, my hippie rebels, and welcome back. So, in this quick little video, I'm going to go over the lesson for today, as well as some quick instructions on how to do this assignment. So, today's learning target, which once you finish with this video, you should write it down into your yellow agenda. So today's learning target, I can analyze the difference between limited and unlimited governments. Our agenda, we are going to completely fill in the slides from the slideshow assignment and submit it. Then we're going to complete and submit the limited versus unlimited government quiz in Schoology and complete and submit the types of government quiz in Schoology. Your homework? Anything not completed and submitted in Schoology by the end of class. So let's get started. Our first slide says, what are the two major forms of government? Well, we have government as a way of being able to protect a community. It's something people put in place, okay, to manage a larger group of people, so things aren't like the Wild West. So we have two types of government: limited government and unlimited government. In limited government, we have a form of government whose power is limited by the restrictions set forth by a constitution, and citizens have protected rights. Now, in an unlimited government, this is a form of government in which there are no limits on the power of the government or the leader. Citizens do not have any protected rights. So, after watching this video, so you're going to go down here, click this video and watch it. These are the questions that you're actually going to answer on the next slide, slide number 5. So when you go to slide number 5, you'll see this little pencil. This is where you edit. Okay, so this is where you complete that slide. It says, what form of government does the United States have? And all I'm going to do is I'm going to click in the box and finish the sentence. The form of government the United States has is a democratic republic. And I'm going to complete the sentences in red, just like I did in the first question. I'm going to move to question number 2. It says, would you rather live in a country with a limited government or unlimited government? And then tell me why. So the reason I chose the government or the type of government in question 2 was because, and then you're going to come in and fill that in. Now, on slide number 6, it's a drag and drop. If you'll notice, we have types of limited governments: a constitutional monarchy. This is where a monarch, like a king or queen, shares power with a constitutionally organized government. So again, I see my pencil, I'm going to edit, and I'm going to click on my box. And to drag and drop, I'm going to make sure I see the cursor with all 4 arrows, and then I'm going to left click and drag it on in my box like so. Okay. So that's an example of how that one works. Same for slide 7. We have pictures of unlimited governments. Here, this one actually says religion and politics mixed together, like 2 paints mixed together. We have a leader with a crown. We have a leader like a military leader or a dictator. And we have theocracy, totalitarian, autocracy, and dictatorship. Now, some of these might fit in more than one box. So if that's the case, we move it right in between, like so. Okay, so moving on to our next slide, where did the idea of limited government come from? Now, you can either choose to read this whole thing on your own, or you can come click the audio box and press play and it'll read it to you. Okay, then I'm going to come over here and click my video and watch my video. In slide number 9, it tells us the characteristics of limited and unlimited governments. So in blue, we have the characteristics or things that make limited governments. And here in my red box, I have things and ideas that are characteristic of unlimited governments. And in my final 2 slides, again, I see my pencil, I'm gonna edit. So it says there's a queen, but people's rights are still protected by the Constitution. I'm gonna put the letter L for limited, okay? So you're gonna either put an L for limited or a U for unlimited, okay? Same goes for 11. Again, I see my little pencil box. So this is a drag and drop. So I'm going to click on the box, make sure my cursor turns into a four-way arrow like a compass, which, north, east, south, and west. And I'm going to drag and drop the appropriate words into the appropriate column. Okay, and that's it. Once you're done, you're going to go back into Schoology and click Submit Assignment. After you're done with that, you're going to come and do the limited versus unlimited government quiz. You will have 3 attempts to make a 70 or higher on this quiz. Once you have done this quiz and you have submitted all of your attempts, if you need to, you're going to go back into Schoology, into that Thursday folder, and click on Types of Government Quiz. Now, to get to this Thursday folder, we're going to go into Courses, click our class period, click first 9 weeks, that little arrow on the side, and we're going to go down to week 4, September 13th through the 17th, and you're going to click on Thursday, September 16th, which will be published. Okay? If you have any questions, please feel free to email me through Schoology. I will not hesitate to answer. Alrighty? Best of luck, Rebels.